Students, welcome back to my channel. I have detected most important 30 questions from evolution of Indian agricultural system. Watch this video till the end. So my first question for you is, Indian economy lives in rural village, said by whom? Who said Indian economy lives in rural village? Option A, Mahatma Gandhi, Bose, Vallabhbhai Patel, Radhakrishnan. Next question. Which of the following sector has shown maximum resilience in any economic crisis in India? Let me repeat the question. Which of the following sector has shown maximum resilience in any economic crisis in India? Option A, agriculture, B, service, C, industry, D, military. Next question. What is the full form of NARS? What is the full form of NARS? Option A, Non-Agricultural Remote Sensing, National Agricultural Research System, National Agricultural Resource Survey, National Agricultural Recommendation System. Fourth question. What is the percentage contribution of agriculture sector to the national GDP of India? What is the percentage contribution of agriculture sector to the national GDP of India? Is it 10%, 16%, 30%, 50%? Next question. Percentage workforce in India involved in agricultural sector. Percentage workforce in India involved in agricultural sector. Is it 30%? Is it 45%? Is it 50%? Is it 70%? Question number 6. How many times ICAR was awarded the King Bordin Development Prize International Award for Best Agricultural Institution in the world? How many times ICAR was awarded the King Bordin Development Prize International Award for the Best Agricultural Institution in the world? 1, 2, 3, 4. Next question. The famous quote, "Everything else may be wet but not agriculture." The famous quote, "Everything else may wet but not agriculture," was said by M.K. Gandhi, Indira Gandhi, Radhakrishnan, Jawaharlal Nehru. My 8th question for you. The agricultural revolution associated with enhancing food grain production. The agricultural revolution that is associated with enhancing food grain production. White revolution, blue revolution, green revolution, golden revolution. So next question. In 1950-51, the percentage area under irrigated agriculture in India was, in 1950-51, the percentage irrigated agriculture in India was 5%, 18%, 38%, 50%. Next question. The total food grain production of our country during 1950-51 was, the total food grain production of our country during 1950-51 was 51 million ton, 85 million ton, 110 million ton, 180 million ton. Next question. The percentage of world water resource in India is, the percentage of world water resource in India is 4.2%, 10.1%, 13.5%, 23%. Next question. The highest percentage of fresh water use, that is about 80%, by which of the following sector? The highest percentage of fresh water use by which of the following sector? Is it hydrothermal sector? Is it agricultural sector? Is it fish cultivation sector? Is it home consumption sector? Next question. Net cultivated area in India is, net cultivated area in India is 110 million hectare, 140 million hectare, 160 million hectare, 180 million hectare. Next question. Out of total cultivated area, percentage of rain-fed area in India is. Out of total cultivated area, the percentage of rain-fed area in India is. Is it 30%? Is it 50%? Is it 65%? Is it 80%? Next question. The negative impacts of overwhelming groundwater not causes. The negative impact of overmining groundwater not causes salinity development, decrease in water table, increasing use of energy per unit water application, depletion of groundwater resources. Next question. Recommended NPK ratio for application in cereal crops. Recommended NPK ratio for application in cereal crops. 1:1:1, 2:1:1, 4:2:1, 1:2:1. Next question. Current NPK consumption ratio in India is. Current NPK consumption ratio in India is 3:1:1, 4:2:1, 6.7:2.4:1, 8.5:3.7:1. Next question. Percentage of processed fruit and vegetables in India, or percentage of fruit and vegetables used for value addition in India. Percentage of processed fruit and vegetables in India, or percentage of fruit and vegetables used for value addition in India is 2%, 10%, 20%, 30%. Next question. The drought year in India considered to be the worst drought year in India. Which among the following drought year in India is considered as worst drought year? Drought in 1980, drought in 2002, drought in 2010, drought is in 2014. Department of Agriculture Research and Education, DARE, was set up in the year. DARE was set up in the year 1905, 1929, 1973, 1985. Next question. Who is the ex officio president of ICAR? Who is the ex officio president of ICAR? Union Agriculture Minister, President of India, PM of India, DG of ICAR. Next question. Reorientation of Project Directorate of Biological Control to National Bureau of Agriculturally Important Insects at Bengaluru in the year. When the reorientation of PDBC to NBAII was done. Is it in the year 1973 or 2001 or 2009 or 2014? Next question. GBPU-80, the first state agricultural university under ICAR, was set up in the year. GBPU-80, the first agricultural institution under ICAR, was set up in the year 1946, 1960, 1972, 1983. Next question. Which among the following is not a deemed to be university? Which among the following is not a deemed to be university? BHU, IARI, NDRI, CIFE. KVK was established on the recommendation of which of the following committee? KVK was established under the recommendation of which of the following committee? Gajendra Gadkari Committee, Ashok Mehta Committee, Mohan Singh Mehta Committee, Gandhi Committee. Next question. Total food grain production of India in 2020 is. Total food grain production of India in 2020 is 195.6 million ton, 270.6 million ton, 298.3 million ton, 321.7 million ton. Next question. Total vegetable production of India during the year 2020 is. Total vegetable production of India during the year 2020 is 125 million ton, 189 million ton, 270 million ton, 300 million ton. Next question. Total fruit production of India during year 2019-2020 is total fruit production of India during the year 2019-2020 is 98 million ton, 131 million ton, 189 million ton, 310 million ton. My next question is India's rank in milk production in the world is first, second, third and fourth. Choose the right answer. My next question. Total area under rice production in India is 29 million hectare, 43 million hectare, 47 million hectare, 51 million hectare. So these are few of the important questions which may be asked in different examinations like ADA, AO, AAO, then IBPS A4. I will give the answer in the comment section itself and you can go through it.